Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best camcorder guide is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to capture life's precious moments. From family vacations to professional filmmaking, camcorders offer a unique blend of portability and quality. This video will explore the different types of camcorders, their features, and what to consider when choosing the perfect one for your needs, ensuring you can make an informed decision and start recording your own memories. Number 5. HD 1080p 24MP Digital Video Camera Recorder. This digital video camera lets you record videos in full HD 1080p resolution. It also captures beautiful photos with its 24MP image resolution. It's perfect for preserving your memories. Need to connect with family and friends? This camera doubles as a webcam. Simply connect it to your computer and use it for video calls. Download the Handycam software to get started. This camcorder is packed with features, including 16x digital zoom, fill light, and a 3.0-inch rotating LCD screen. It also includes anti-shake, face capture, and beauty functions. It's designed to make your videos and photos look their best. Don't want to start a new video every time? The pause function allows you to pause and resume recording seamlessly. This makes it easy to edit and upload your videos. You can also easily transfer your videos to your computer or TV. Never miss a moment. This camcorder comes with 2 batteries and supports recording while charging. It can record for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. It's perfect for long events. This compact camcorder supports SD cards up to 128 GB. Remember to format the SD card before use. It also supports tripod connection for stable shots. What we like. This camcorder doubles as a webcam, perfect for video calls and online content creation. It also features a pause function, making editing a breeze. Plus, it supports recording while charging, ensuring you never miss a moment. If you're a vlogger or someone who frequently records long videos, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very happy with performance, works well, above average accessories, extra battery, cords, etc. The full HD 1080p resolution and 24MP quality deliver clear photos and videos, which really impressed us. The 3.0-inch screen that rotates 270 degrees is perfect for little hands, making it easy for my child to take selfies, record videos, and explore their creativity. Number 4. Sony HDR-CX405 HD Handycam Camcorder, Black. Introducing the Sony HDR-CX405, your perfect companion for capturing life's precious moments. This Handycam records in stunning HD quality, ensuring your memories are preserved with clarity and detail. It's easy to use and delivers exceptional results. With multiple codecs, this Handycam offers flexibility in how you record and share your videos. It supports 50 megabits per second AVS, AVC HD, and MP4 formats. This allows you to choose the best option for your needs, whether it's high-quality recording or easy sharing. Get closer to the action with the impressive zoom capabilities. It features a 30x optical zoom and a 60x clear image zoom. This allows you to capture distant subjects with incredible detail, ensuring you never miss a moment. The wide-angle Zeiss lens captures more of the scene. It allows you to fit more into your shots, making it ideal for landscapes and group shots. The wide-angle lens ensures you capture everything in stunning detail. Say goodbye to shaky videos with optical steady-shot image stabilization. This feature minimizes camera shake, resulting in smooth and professional-looking footage. It ensures your videos are clear and easy to watch. The built-in USB cable makes transferring files and charging a breeze. Simply plug it into your computer or a USB power source. This handy feature makes it convenient to manage your videos and keep the camera ready to go. View your footage on the 2.7-inch Clear Photo Plus LCD display. The display provides a clear and vibrant view of your videos and photos. It allows you to easily review your recordings and adjust your settings. What we like. This camcorder boasts a powerful 30x optical zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with clarity. Its optical steady-shot image stabilization ensures smooth footage, even when you're on the move. The built-in USB cable simplifies file transfer and charging. If you're looking to capture action-packed scenes or need a user-friendly camcorder, this one is ideal. What people say. It zooms in a lot better than my Galaxy S21 phone, so that was good enough for me. I also love the size of it, very portable and light. There's one button to easily stop recording. One button to press for photos. Even during recording you can take pictures with this button. The zoom switch next to the photo button on the top of the camcorder. There's also a switch you can manually flip to close or open the lens cover. To turn it off and on, you simply need to open and close the screen flap like a flip phone. Then there's only two controls on the screen itself. Not in a touch screen way, but on the left of the screen there is one analog stick to move and make selection. To make the selection, you just press down on the analog stick. Underneath the analog stick is a button to access the menu playback. I do not like touch screens, so I really like this simple navigational tool right next to it. Oh, and you can flip the screen around 180 degrees so you can do vlogs. Lastly, it has a built-in USB cord, connected to the handle strap, to easily transfer files and charge the battery, with an included adapter. You can adjust the strap, it's Velcro, and there's a loop you can add a lanyard to it if you want it. The battery is removable. It comes with one battery. I recommend getting an extra battery and charger so you can save time on charging and have a backup. It has a pretty good built-in mic. Number 3. Panasonic HC-V785 Full HD Camcorder. This camcorder features a high-sensitivity 2.3-inch BSI sensor. It has a large effective area and larger pixels, which reduces noise, even in dim lighting. This allows you to capture bright and beautiful shots. The level shot function detects and corrects tilting. It also uses hybrid OIS to suppress blurring. This ensures your images are crisp and clear, from wide-angle to zoomed shots. This camcorder offers powerful zoom capabilities within a compact body. It achieves this through separate lens group drives. This results in high image quality and powerful zooming capabilities. The HDR movie function captures crisp details in both bright and dark areas. It combines two images with different exposures. This function suppresses highlights and shadows, resulting in clear videos. Use your smartphone as a sub-camera with Wi-Fi. This allows you to shoot from two angles simultaneously. It provides a picture-in-picture shooting experience. Panasonic camcorders combine lightweight durability with coveted features. It offers trusted performance and an effortless shooting experience for creators of every level. This product reflects Japan's leadership in imaging. What we like. This camcorder features a high-sensitivity BSI sensor for excellent low-light performance. The level shot function keeps your video steady, and the HDR movie function provides crisp details in both bright and dark areas. If you're a travel enthusiast or someone who films in various lighting conditions, this camcorder will deliver outstanding results. What people say. The camera's image stabilization is excellent, producing smooth videos even when walking or moving. The autofocus is fast and accurate, quickly locking onto subjects. The camcorder has a long battery life, allowing for extended recording sessions. Number 2. GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition Action Camcorder. This is the GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition. It's a fantastic action camcorder that lets you capture all your adventures. It's perfect for anyone who loves to record their experiences. Frame your shots easily with the built-in touch display. You can adjust settings and review your videos and photos instantly. It makes using the camera simple and intuitive. A new dedicated button gives you quick access to camera settings. Simplified menus make navigating the settings easier than ever before. You'll be able to adjust everything quickly. Capture high-quality 12MP photos at speeds of up to 30 frames per second. It's perfect for capturing fast-moving action. This feature ensures you never miss a moment. Enjoy enhanced connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This allows you to connect to the GoPro app and smart remote. It makes sharing your content easy. Get cinema quality capture and manual control. You can adjust color, ISO limit, and exposure. This gives you more control over your final product. Customize exposure settings up to 30 seconds for single and time-lapse photos. This feature allows you to capture stunning photos in low-light conditions. It's great for night photography. What we like. This action camcorder has a built-in touch display for easy framing and settings adjustments. It captures high-quality photos at impressive speeds. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sharing your adventures is seamless. If you're an adventure seeker or someone who loves to share their experiences instantly, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Small, nice screen, easy to switch between video photo mode and easy to review photos and video taken. The touchscreen works well as a viewfinder. Plus there's the option to play back videos, complete with sound, right on the camera. And the most useful thing about the touchscreen is how much easier it makes changing camera settings. The camera not only takes high-quality videos but also stunning wide-view photos. You would never guess this product is refurbished, it works perfectly. The touchscreen LCD screen is amazing. Number 1. LKX 1080p camcorder with microphone, remote, stabilizer. This full HD camcorder is perfect for vlogging and recording. It has a rotatable touchscreen and comes with a remote control for easy operation. You can stream directly to your favorite social media platforms. The camera also functions as a webcam. Simply connect it to your computer and use it for video calls or streaming. The included remote lets you control it from a distance. Equipped with a lens hood, this camera improves image quality by filtering out unwanted light. It also features an 8MP CMOS sensor, delivering excellent performance for both video and photos. The included handheld stabilizer ensures smooth video recording. An external microphone provides clear and stable audio. It makes the recording more professional. This camcorder supports pause mode, allowing you to seamlessly continue recording. It also offers time-lapse, slow motion, and continuous shooting options, giving you creative control. What we like. This camcorder features a 270 degrees rotatable touchscreen for easy framing and control. It includes an external microphone for enhanced audio quality and a handheld stabilizer for smooth footage. If you're a vlogger or content creator looking for a complete package to improve your video quality, this one is perfect for you. What people say. The remote is nice and allows you to swap to IR mode, take pictures, record video and other things at the touch of a remote from across the room. Next to the microphone port is a mini HDMI out so it can output directly to your monitor or capture device. The recordings captured with this camera are sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. Whether I'm filming our church services, capturing the beauty of nature for inspirational videos, or documenting my book-related endeavors, the results have been outstanding. The 1080p resolution and 36.0 MP sensor work together to provide a high-quality visual experience that I can't complain about. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.